I'm going to talk you through how to pickle your own cabbage. It's super easy, it comes together in no time, and you can actually use the vinegar and sugar mixture that you used for your rice. We're going to reuse that and we're going to put it into our cabbage. So all I've done is used a peeler and peeled the cabbage so it's nice and thin, but it still has a crunch to it. Rather than grating it, I wouldn't really recommend grating it. So peel or chop so you've still got that crunch. So all I'm going to do is add a tablespoon in at a time. So I've gone for about 6 tablespoons for now. Give it a good mix. I'm going to add a teaspoon of sesame oil. And I'm going to add a teaspoon of maple syrup, as well as a teaspoon of sesame seeds. And all we're going to do is give it a really nice little mix. And by the time we come back to that, it will have pickled really quickly. So it's not something you can do it in advance, but if you forget, don't worry, it's really easy to come together.